Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals. The Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! The crypto love, bringing you crypto love over the interwebs, over the YouTube channel. And guys and gals, I just want to say God bless each and every one. It's a pleasure, an absolute pleasure that I'm here with you. Hey, we got huge news. Something's going to big. It's going to happen in 12 hours. We're going to see a huge pump it up weekend. We're going to see it absolutely happen. So right in front of your eyes, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We're seeing more and more miners, Ethereum miners, Bitcoin miners, all of them holding on to their crypto, not selling their crypto, and this is a really bullish time. We're also seeing that the hash rates are going up. The difficulty is also going up, guys. This is a huge time to be alive. We're seeing that, 2012, 2017, and the other bull runs, we're seeing that this Fibonacci level of 2.72 on the weekly chart, it's about to flash again. And when that happens, when Bitcoin reaches that Fibonacci level, we're going to see $200,000 incoming. We're going to see $10,000 coming for Ethereum, and things are just looking bullish. The markets are frothy. The markets are foamy. We're seeing right now that the altcoins are starting to make a move, guys. They're starting to blast off. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this video is for educational purpose. So things are looking pretty good, guys. And this weekend we're going to absolutely, go to the moon, guys. And it's going to be a really green weekend for sure. We're seeing that the total market cap is above 2.3 trillion. And I did tell you that we're going to hit 2.5 trillion. Absolutely going to hit 2.5 trillion. And a lot of you, if you've been holding strong since September, September was a Debbie Down. If you've been holding strong since then, you guys should be making bank right now. And, we can see that SHIB is still giving up a lot of its profits. And, where are we going to go from here on SHIB? I think it's going to continue going down. And I think it's probably going to go way down another 50%. Doge is looking good. It's following my Elliott wave formation exactly as I predicted. I believe that we're going to see 35 cents incoming for the Doge by the end of this month. And then that should start taking us up to the promised line of 40 cents pretty soon. Bitcoin, I printed a target. We saw that Bitcoin created this huge bull flag pattern on the 1 hour time frame. And that target is looking at, we could see $61,000 incoming very shortly, probably in the next 72 hours for sure. And then on the 4 hour time frame, on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we saw this huge cup and handle pattern that formed, and it's huge, guys. And that looks like, that target on the cup and handle is $74,000, and that's incoming, imminent, guys. We could even see $74,000 incoming by the end of this month. That's optimistic target. My conservative target is definitely $63,000, and that's in line with Plan B, guys. So without further delay, let's dive into the content. Let's jump into it, guys, without further delay. And before we do that, guys, do me a favor. Go back and watch all the other content. If you haven't gone back, go watch this one. Doing good every day, and doing good only every day. Doge, guys. This is where we give back to charity. All the super chats, all the memberships, all the stuff that we collect on the channel, even the merch, the patrons. It all goes here, guys. It goes right here, right now, and that's to go and help the homeless, support the orphans and people in need here in Vietnam. Because the current situation with the virus is, it's created a lot of hardship for a lot of people. So we're here just trying to give back some love. And guys and gals, don't forget to do me a favor. Without you guys out there in YouTube land, my community, my subscribers, my family, my members, and just everybody out there, my Patreon members, and all of you guys that have supported the buying coffee, thank you. God bless each and everyone. Thank you very much. And please go down there. You see an icon that looks like that. It's pretty hard. It's pretty hard to miss, guys. It looks like that. It's a thumbs up icon. Go down there, smash the likes, smash it. Let's see if we can get this video up to 1,000 likes. That's the holy grail for this channel. I want to see if we can start getting 1,000 likes consistently. And guys and gals, subscribe and make a comment, guys. It's very important. Make a comment and tell us that YouTube algorithm that you love this channel, like I love you guys, and I do love you guys, and I appreciate it. Remember, this channel is about having fun. It's about crypto. It's about bringing the news. And it's about spreading the good word, guys. And remember, live life like every day is your last. Make every second count. Make every minute count. And guys, spread the good vibes, spread some love, and show some love, guys. So let's jump in the markets right now without further delay. So we can see right now the total market cap is 2.32 trillion, and the volumes are looking pretty good right now. And the volumes are at 109.36 billion in the house. And we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is at 43.87. So it's a little bit too rich for my liking. And we're seeing that, since May 1st, we're seeing that the market cap is steadily going up and up and up. And this is what we want to see. And this is pretty healthy, guys. Very healthy indeed. Let's take a look at the coins in the house. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is doing very well. It's at $55,353, and that's up 2.06%. And on the weekly, we're seeing 17% increase. So that's very, very nice. And we're seeing that, right now, Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. I mean, 2 or 3 days ago, that gap was really big, but that gap is now closing because Ethereum is starting to pick up. And we're seeing that all the old coins are starting to pick up, guys. We're seeing that more liquidity is moving out of Bitcoin slowly, not at a fast pace, because we see the Bitcoin dominance is still pretty high. But also, too, we're seeing that a lot of people that aped into Shiba Inu, they've taken profits and they're now putting that back into altcoins. And that was pretty much the retail investors that were doing that. There's a whole rumor about the Robinhood thing. So let's see if that prevails. I mean, if it does happen, that's fantastic. If it doesn't happen, it's going to be bad for the ship. Ship could go down like the Titanic. Bye bye. So guys, I'm not hating any coins. We love all the coins. Remember, at the end of the day, it's about making profits and it's about making life-changing wealth, guys. So ADA in the house is at $2.27, and that's at down 1.66%. And I think ADA, we could probably see ADA flash up to $2.83 in the next 72 hours. Or so, because it looks like we got some really good news coming out on ADA and Algorand. Algorand, they've got this partnership, and they've got this bridge, and now these two blockchains are bridged together. So that's going to add some more interoperability, and that's just going to drive more adoption and more flow through on the blockchain. So, we had this whole Alonzo smart contracts that came out last month, and we still have not seen any really uptake. Sure, the smart contracts have been deployed. We're seeing that the ADA pad, and we're seeing that there's going to be ADA swap and stuff coming out soon. But we still need to see more traffic going on the ADA network. And if that happens, then we're going to see that price actually explode. BNB is down right now, and I think that has to do with that Binance just announced that they're going to set up a head office in Ireland. I think that's a little bit of bad news for some people because it means that the regulators can go after them. So we'll see how that pans out, and that's one of the reasons why we're seeing BNB down, not ADA, sorry guys. And that's down 2.11%, and that's at $433 in the house. Solana is coming back slowly. It's at $163.95. Guys, smash the likes. Don't forget to give super chats. We're going to jump into the technicals and the charts in a minute. Keep watching to the end. And Solana is at $4 down. It's up 4.81%. And Doge in the house is at 24.89, and that's also up 1%. So Doge is looking pretty good over the last 7 days. It's up 16.31%, so it's not too shabby. And DOT in the house is at $33.83, and that's just slightly up, guys, slightly up. Luna's up, guys. Uni's up. Avalanche is up 7%, guys. That's looking pretty good, 64.42. The SHIB is still going down. It's shedding a lot of its gains. It's now 42% from all-time highs. When it had hit the high a couple days ago, the difference here was only 14%. So hopefully you guys were able to get out of the SHIB, and hopefully the ones that FOMO'd in just recently, if you're still underwater, then you got nothing you can do except hold, and hopefully that this thing comes back. You don't have to wait 5 months for it. Algorand is also going up right now, so this is looking pretty good. Matic is up. Atom is up. What else is up? VET is still lingering a little bit. We need to VET to giddy up. Also, FTT is up, guys. It's a good pickup. Tezos is down, and Pancake is also down a little bit. So overall, things are not looking too bad. Let's jump into some news, guys. Keep watching to the end. We're seeing that with the help of NFT Marketplace, patients may be able to share data with their provider security. So, NFT Marketplace might be allowed to use blockchain technology to be able to transmit and securely hold your healthcare data. Because right now, there's really no blockchain that's really using it. I mean, VeChain has does have a mechanism where, you know, providers can use that blockchain for their data. So this is looking pretty good, that we could see that NFT could be used in the future, where you have your own private NFT, and that's for you, and then you have all your medical data on there, and that would probably run on the ERC20. So that's pretty bullish news. But VeChain is doing a pretty good job of that right now. So guys, check out VET, and I think VET is a really good coin. I'm not shilling VET, but I like VET. And also some other news that's coming in right now. Crypto miners are stockpiling Bitcoin and Ethereum rewards. So you're seeing that, you know, as I said earlier, that crypto miners are not selling their Bitcoin and Ethereum. The value of crypto assets held by miners have reached an all-time highs, and data suggests that miners see potential in Bitcoin and Ethereum's future growth. So this is a really good indicator. When miners are holding on to their rewards that they get from mining, this means that they're still very bullish, and they anticipate that the markets are going to go uppity up. So this is really good news, guys. Fantastic news, and this is a very bullish news in itself, guys. So you got to love it. I love it. Some other news that's coming out right now is also to Georgia to pilot digital currency in retail commerce next year. So this is really good. Central Bank of Georgia is advancing its digital currency project. The monetary authority is preparing to launch a CBDC as early as next year, and it plans to use blockchain-based version of the national fiat, the Georgian lira, to facilitate retail sales. So this is really good news. And you know, you can see that, you know, some of the less developed countries are just going very fast with the CBDC currency. And also, it looks like Brazil is getting closer to finalize and making a huge announcement that they're going to accept Bitcoin as their legal tender. So that announcement should be coming soon. We have Ukraine, who's in the process of passing a bill where they will recognize digital currency and cryptocurrency as an asset class, and you can use that for transactions and stuff like that. So it was passed, but you know, the president over there, he wanted to make some amendments, so that's happening. Also, we have, you know, the Fed, you know, Powell said they're not going to ban crypto. We also have the SEC said that they're not going to ban crypto, and I think that we're going to see an ETF coming out very soon, very shortly, guys. So this is really good news, guys. So let's jump into the Dogecoin price right now. So Dogecoin right now is at 24.86, and you guys can see right here that we have these Elliott wave patterns that I printed out the other day, and we're following this Elliott wave pattern exactly as predicted, and I think that we're going to get a huge pump, guys, and I think we could be seeing 29 cents coming in very shortly, and Doge is looking pretty healthy. You know, we're seeing more green than red on the 4-hour on the daily, so this is pretty good, guys, and I think Doge is going to explode, and it's going to continue going uppity up, and this is really good. And we've seen that, you know, after we had this huge descending triangle that went all the way back to the SNL days, you know, we're seeing that Doge is starting to behave and is starting to break out, and we could see ourselves absolutely going up to 35-40 cents incoming very soon. I wouldn't be surprised if we get close to 40 cents by the end of this month, and then in November I think we should see Doge start to, you know, range between 40 and 55, 60 cents. And then December, we could see, you know, anywhere from 60 to 74 cents ranging. And then we should hopefully blast off sometime early January, because I think we're going to see the altcoins absolutely explode in November. That's when they're going to get frothy, they're going to get foamy, and we're going to the moon, guys. And if you're still watching, great, keep watching, because we're going to look at the Bitcoin TA, we're going to look at Ethereum TA, and don't forget to smash the likes and love this content. I love you guys. Show some love to OG in the house, and smash the likes and subscribe, YB. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart right now. This is a Bitstamp weekly chart, and right now Bitcoin is at $55,268, and we're still way above the 21-day EMA, which is this yellow line. So this is very bullish, guys, and this just goes to show that $200,000 I think is absolutely incoming. It's absolutely happening, guys, and we can see that happening right here, that, you know, if we can break above this 2.27 log Fibonacci chart, Fibonacci level on the logarithmic chart, we can see that Bitcoin is absolutely geared up to head up to 200,000. We saw that happen in 2013 and 2017. And if we take this fractal, and we place it over here, it looks like that, you know, Bitcoin is in play to hit $200,000, and this is really cool, guys. This is from Tech Dev, and he's not a lightweight. He does know what he's talking about. So I think that history will repeat itself in this case, and we could see $200,000 incoming, absolutely incoming. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, on the hourly chart. So I did tell you that on the hourly chart we have this huge bull flag. We've broken out from that, and you know, I'm targeting $61,000 for Bitcoin incoming from this breakout of this bull flag. So it's really cool news, guys. And then we can see that on the daily time frame, we also have this huge cup and handle pattern that is playing out right here on the daily, and the target for that is $74,000 target for this cup and handle pattern that's playing out right now. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. So Ethereum in the house right now, fantastic news. Ethereum on the daily, we are back inside my channel, and it looks like we're going up, guys. And right now Ethereum is at $3,622, and if this continues, we should be breaking past $4,000 very soon. I think we could probably get pretty close to $4,000 and maybe get close to there on Monday. So keep tuned, guys. Keep tuned to the channel. And remember, don't forget to smash the like as always, and don't forget super chats if you're watching in the live stream. Subscribe, leave a comment, tell me, do you think Ethereum is going to hit $4,000 by Monday? I'd love to hear what you have to say about that. I think it's going to get pretty close, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. Great time to be alive. And remember, everybody, if you're watching this channel, remember, you've got to take profits. Take your profits. It's so important. You know, remember, when you go up 200%, it's time to take profits, guys. Take your profits. Always take profits. It's a great time to be alive. So let's take a look at ADA in the house. So ADA on the 4-hour time frame as well is kind of printed a bull flag, and it looks like ADA right now is at $2.26. It went as high today as $2.25, $2.38. Sorry, my bad. And it looks like ADA is breaking down a little bit, but I think that once we break past the top side of this bull flag here, we could have a run to $2.83. And the next target that we need to hit is $2.58. And ADA often does this kind of thing. It goes up, it goes down a little bit, consolidates, and it has a huge explosion to the upside. Goes down and explodes again. So I think we could see ourselves kind of going down. Then we're going to have a huge explosion. We could see $2.58 coming in by this Monday. So I think we're going to have a huge pump it up weekend for all the altcoins, Bitcoin. I think things are just looking pretty good right now. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. Now Solana is breaking out of this descending triangle, as you can see here. Solana right now is at $162 in the house. And based on the point of breakout, I can see that Solana is going to probably go up to $186 pretty shortly in the next 72 hours or so. So keep an eye on that. It's looking pretty good, guys. And Avalanche in the house is doing very well. It's about to break out of this descending triangle. And if we measure the top to bottom of this triangle here, and we put it to point of breakout, we could see ourselves going all the way up to this level. So if this is a point of breakout, we could see ourselves going up to 74 cents, hopefully getting there by Monday or Tuesday. So keep an eye on that. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter. Follow. We got 2,547 followers. If you want to get the latest news, tips, and tricks, or if you want to just send me a message, go right there and do that. Also, guys, we do have a Telegram group as well. So go check out the Telegram group. It's right here, guys, and it's called Crypto Squad. We got about 1,050 members in there. So this is our public Telegram group. So go there and see what's going on. There are a lot of tips and tricks. We got a lot of people in there. But if you want to get in our private WhatsApp group, you need to become a super member or VIP member to do that. So don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Do it right now. And guys and gals, God bless each and every one of you. I'm doing this for you, and without you guys, this channel wouldn't be possible. So please smash the likes, subscribe me, leave a comment. I appreciate it. And don't forget to check out all my linking links. Remember, none of this is financial advice. And support the channel with Patreon. Support the channel with a coffee. All the coffees, all the memberships, all the merchandise, all the proceeds go to charity, guys. Check out my merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got polo shirts, we got all sorts of cool stuff, guys. You want to check it out. And we got the infamous, the most famous item, the hottest selling out, the Mug filled with joy, guys. Get the Mug, get the backpack, and get the Pillow Willa, and the water bottle, guys. And don't forget to check out the wife's channel, and go to Zen Music and subscribe BYB over there. And if you subscribe, leave a note that you come from the OG's channel, and we'll definitely get your shout out on the channel. So with that being said, guys, God bless each and every one of you. Live life to the fullest. Make every second, every minute count, guys. Spread the good vibe. God bless each one. This is the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house, guys. Crypto love in the house. Be blessed. Be well. See you in the next one. I'm out. Woo!